Hi, bonjour! I'm Stephanie from learnfrenchwithstephanie.com. The futur simple. Let's talk about it. Welcome to this French lesson. Today we're going to learn everything about the futur simple. And you'll see it's very easy. Before we get started though, if it's your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell and give me a thumbs up if this video helps you learn just a little bit more French. Let's go! The futur simple is used in a similar way to the English with will, to describe upcoming actions. There's no such thing as the modal will in French, but we have a specific conjugation. So, we have a stem and we have endings. For all verbs, you'll have to add endings of the future to the stem of the verb. For now, let's see the endings. For je, it's est. For tu, it's a. For il, it's a. For elle, it's a. For on, it's a. For nous, it's on. For vous, it's est. For il and elle, it's on. Now we're going to look at verbs ending in ER, which makes the sound E. For those verbs, the stem is going to be the infinitive verb followed by the endings. It's very easy. For example, with the verb manger, je mangerai, tu mangeras, il mangera, elle mangera, on mangera, nous mangerons, vous mangerez, ils mangeront, elles mangeront. Other examples with the verb donner, je donnerai, and with the verb parler, je parlerai. Now the verbs ending in -ir. It's very easy to use because we also keep the stem from the infinitive. For example, with the verb finir. Je finirai. Tu finiras. Il finira. Elle finira. On finira. Nous finirons. Vous finirez. Ils finiront. Elles finiront. Other examples. With the verb dormir. Je dormirai. And with the verb ouvrir. J'ouvrirai. Now we're going to look at the verbs ending with r. For those verbs, the stem will be the infinitive verb without the i in French, followed by the endings. It's very easy. For example, with the verb prendre. Je prendrai. Tu prendras. Il prendra. Elle prendra. On prendra. Nous prendrons. Vous prendrez. Ils prendront. Elles prendront. Other examples. With the verb lire. Je lirai. With the verb boire, je boirai. Sometimes the stem can be completely different to its infinitive form, but the endings are always the same. These are the irregular verbs. I'm going to give you a few examples such as avoir, the future stem begins with O. J'aurais. Aller, the future stem begins with ir. J'irai. Être, the future stem begins with ser. Je serai. Faire, the future stem begins with fer. Je ferai. Venir, the future stem begins with viendre. Je viendrai. Savoir, the future stem begins with so. Je saurai. Now we're going to look at sentences with the futur simple. With the verb travailler. Il travaillera tard demain. With the verb partir. Vous partirez ce soir. With the verb attendre. J'attendrai ici jusqu'à ce qu'il revienne. With the verb aller. Ils iront en France l'année prochaine. With the verb faire. Ce week-end, nous ferons un gâteau. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I see you again for a new free lesson. Au revoir. Bye. The next step is to download my free level test and my free ebook, 5 Steps to Becoming a Confident French Speaker. You learn what you need to do to speak confidently and fluently. Thanks so much. Bye. Au revoir.